So today I want to be walking through how I built an 8-figure business with AI, the exact system. I want to break down all the processes, what we used, how it works, etc. You have some sort of AI powered tool that can take the screenshots from your video and then turn it into a nice blog post. I'm sure that's coming. Maybe it's even out there somewhere, but that would be great. That would make this a lot easier. Anyway, so for example, we've got affiliate marketing deals. And basically, when we promote a tool, we make money. If you're using NA10 today, you can just record a video, a screen share of you actually creating the videos, and then share those to YouTube or to Facebook groups or to school, etc. Right? And then you just say, listen, guys, if you want to sign up for NA10, support the channel, etc., then click on this link and buy. And so when we promote a tool and make money with it, you're like a lead generator for that company. These are the AI tools you like to use. And you're doing the work anyway. Like if you are using NA10, if you're using ChatGPT, or if you're using HeyGen, if you're using GenSpark, or you're using Manus, whatever AI tool you prefer to use, if you're using these tools, well, the fact is that if you just screen shared you using them and building with them, and then you put inside the description of the video or on school or whatever that what you're building and that sort of thing, and people click on it, you make money. Right. And so it's a very simple process. It doesn't really require any extra work. All you got to do whilst you do it, and you don't even need to edit it. I mean, you can do a live stream like this, for example, like right now, for example, that's basically how it works. And then, for example, you can also publish content around that tool on live streams, for example, on YouTube. You could do a live stream on Twitter as well, right? So if we go to Twitter here, you can see that I'm live and 152 people watching, right? And again, if they go to the video notes and then they click on the link and they buy that tool, we make money. Pretty simple and easy.